Alright, so I just finished making some of these for a customer. These were kind of an interesting part to make. They're UHMW bushings. This end is bigger than this end, so it kind of tapers down. And then I had to turn this right here, it's kind of straight. So I had to cut it on this side and then flip it over so I could turn this. And since this is a thin wall plastic, clamping on this, you know, you just crush it and you'd have a messed up part, you know, out around and all that. So made this plug here, push it in the back, put it in there, tighten down on it, and now that plug, the jaws clamp on the plastic against the plug, and it doesn't make it out around, and it clamps on it pretty good, and you can turn that second side. So yeah, get these off to the customer. Well, this is a bummer. So I've got some parts that I'm making out of this hardened steel here for a customer. It's between 40 to 45 Rockwell, and it needs some square sockets put in it. And so I ordered a square rotary broach to do this, and it's supposed to be good for harder materials. It's a special broach, but I gave it a shot here and it did not work. It hit the material and started rounding the corners. So I don't know if it's just the broach isn't good enough for the job, or if the material is just too hard to broach. But in any case, I can't try anything else, can't order anything else right now because today's Friday and these parts need to get shipped out to the customer on Monday. But I think my best option anyways is to just go ahead and drill out the corners on that socket and then mill the square and call it good. That way I'm not going to keep burning through expensive tools that don't work, and I'll get the parts down and get it off to the customer. Well, I got the square socket milled in the first part here, and the machining went good. A lot better than the broaching, I gotta say. So let's take it out here, take a look at it. And it looks good there. 3/8 socket, fits nice. Dimensions are good. Just drilled out those corners there and milled the square. Bam! Got it done. Now I'll just machine the rest of them and get it off to the customer. So I finished making these parts right here. Let's see if it'll... So this actually would be nice to have a 5-axis machine for positioning, because it's got a things going on a few different places on this part. But what I had to do to position the part is, after I milled the profile and decked it off, then I had to make these jaws here to position the part, to cut this slot, and then position the part to drill this hole in the back side there that intersects right in here, and then drill and tap a little hole here. So quite a bit going on in that part. Multiple setups that you got to do on a 3-axis mill, but get the part done. Alright, so the rest of this video is going to show some of the machining of this awesome part right here. So feel free to sit back and enjoy or skip through some of it. It's all good. Thanks for watching the video.